Hey Tudabut fam, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be diving into one of the most powerful books of our time, The White Tiger by Aravind Adiga. This book won the Man Booker Prize in 2008, and it's not hard to see why. In this video, we will be analyzing all the characters and themes of this masterpiece. We have discussed the detailed plot summary in our previous video. You can find the link in the description. Let's start with the protagonist of the book, Balram Halwai. He comes from a poor background and has one goal in life: to escape poverty. Balram is a complex character, and at times it's hard to decide whether we love or hate him. He is intelligent, cunning, and has a wicked sense of humor. Balram is not afraid to take risk. He'll do whatever it takes to achieve his dreams. However, as the story progresses, we see the dark side of his character. He becomes ruthless and his actions become questionable. Balram is a character that will leave you conflicted. Next, we have Ashok and Pinky Madam, Balram's employers. Ashok is the son of one of the wealthiest men in India, and Pinky is his wife, who is an American educated woman. They are both characters that represent the privileged class, but they are not without their flaws. Ashok tries to be kind to Balram, but he is not completely free from the corruption that surrounds him. Pinky, on the other hand, is a character that represents the Western world's ignorance of the reality of Indian society. She is not interested in understanding the culture and the people around her. Kusum, Balram's grandmother, is another important character in the book. She is a symbol of tradition and the past. Kusum represents the old ways of India, the ways that are disappearing due to the country's rapid development and modernization. She is a character who is respected and loved by Balram, and her death marks a turning point in the story. The Stork, Ashok's father and a corrupt politician who controls the village where Balram grows up. The stork is a symbol of the corruption and inequality that pervades Indian society. He represents the powerful and wealthy who exploit and oppress those in lower caste. Now, let's focus on the themes of the book. The most prominent theme in The White Tiger is corruption. Adiga has done an excellent job of highlighting the corruption that exists in the Indian society. From the rich to the poor, everyone is corrupt in their own way. Balram himself is a victim of this corruption, and he decides to become a part of it to survive. Adiga shows us how the caste system and the rich-poor divide are still prevalent in Indian society. The novel also explores the tension between tradition and modernity in India through the character of Pinky Madam, who is American educated and initially seems to represent a more progressive outlook. The novel highlights the clash between traditional Indian values and the forces of globalization and modernization. Another key theme is the exploration of morality and the ways in which individuals are shaped by their circumstances. Balram is a morally ambiguous character who is willing to do whatever it takes to succeed, even if it means betraying those closest to him. The novel challenges readers to question their own moral compass and consider how their circumstances might shape their choices. In conclusion, The White Tiger is a book that will make you think, question, and reflect. Adiga's writing is powerful, and he doesn't shy away from showing the harsh realities of Indian society. I highly recommend this book to anyone who wants to explore the social and political landscape of contemporary India. It's not an easy read, but it's definitely worth it. You can find the link to purchase the book in the description below. That's it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts on The White Tiger in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.